Cebuanos have always been fond of snacking. In fact, it's been deeply woven into their food culture, giving rise to an abundance of food inventions that reflects its people's love for variety and indulgence of their taste buds. No matter the occasion or the time of day, it seems that the Cebuanos have always have something to snack on. Whether it's sweet, sour, or spicy, the innovation of the Cebuanos when it comes to snacking knows no bounds. If we're going to talk about a Filipino snack that is as versatile as the Cebuanos, then there's no need to look further than the chicharon, especially those found in the city of Carcar. Chicharon is a popular Filipino snack made from salted deep-fried pork rinds or skin. It is known for its crunchy texture that floods your mouth with savory pork flavor and seasonings. It is usually enjoyed as a side dish or as an appetizer that's usually paired with vinegar to enhance its flavor. Among Filipinos, chicharon is a well-known pulutan or finger food used to complement alcoholic beverages. Though it can be found throughout various regions of the Philippines, one of the most famous varieties is the one found in Carcar, owing to its unique crispness and regional taste. The production of chicharon in Carcar has become a well-known tradition in the city, with many local households and small business owners producing and selling this famous snack. It has also become a popular souvenir item, or what we call pasalubong, for visitors to bring back home. Thus, Carcar is considered to be a popular destination for food enthusiasts, both local and foreign. It also helps that the city has one of the biggest and thriving swine industries in the province of Cebu, which plays a vital role in supplying pork products not only in the local market, but also to other areas of Cebu and nearby provinces. So it's no surprise that the chicharon has become a staple snack in the city of Carcar.
Start siya aning chicharon. Na sinugdana na ginagmay ra gid na iya permiro, ginagmay. Kadugayan, nilambo jud siya kay kugihan gid siya lang. Matain taw na siya kadlawon alas 3 sa kadlaw, magtingkagol na ng mga planggana, kaldiro. Nana siya kakugihan.
Negosyo ko ng nanay kay ka-income sa ko ba. Pag sugod nako, turo ka tao. Usan tig loto, usan tig tagod, usan tig ripak. Karon mga 51, 52. Unong ka tig tagod, tulo ka janitor, tulo ka tig timing, tulo sa tig ubutok. Ang sobra tig ripak na.
Ako si Marilyn Empleo. 10 years in ako naka-trabaho aning Three Kings. Kanang na kuan gyud na mag-sealer, mag-repack, na-improve gyud ang akong amol ani. Kanang kay nindot may iyang paagi. Magpasalamat ko kog dako nga naabot ko aning tuiga nga mao gyapon siyang may siya mudana mo. Daghang salamat sa Three Kings.
Luto kong charon kay gusto sa ko maka-income ko. Nya makatabang sa ko sa mga tabante nako. Unya daghan sa mga negosyante charon nga mga ginagmay nga nanginabuhi sa dere ba. Makatabang sa ko nila ba.
So how do they do it? How do simple pork rinds and back fat become the crunchy and savory chicharon we know and love? Let's find out. First, pork rinds and back fats are boiled with water seasoned with salt inside a large cauldron for roughly 2.5 hours. Once done boiling, the meat is cut into appropriate serving sizes. Again, it is boiled in water at medium heat to strip the meat of its inherent oils. After that, the pork is then marinated and seasoned with a mixture of spices which may include salt, garlic powder, and pepper. The specific blend of spices included can vary from one chicharon maker to another. After seasoning the meat strips, they are now ready to be deep fried inside large cauldrons full of oil until golden brown and crispy. And once they are cooked, they are then allowed to drain to remove the excess oil and allow them to cool for packaging.
Nalipay ko nga nagka-negosyo kong chicharon o nakatabang bukos mga tabante na ko. Nagkapasigarbo, puskarkar o uban paglambos Carcar. Tambang ko sa kauban akong negosyante nga ang tabante mo ita. Saktohon gisweldo para sakto sa output ang ihatag. Makakwarta ta, kakwarta sad sila.
For the city of Carcar, the cultural and economical impact of the Chicharon cannot be overstated. It represents generations of cultural heritage and has become an emblem of Carcaranon pride. Beyond its cultural value, Chicharon in Carcar has also played a vital role in the local economy, providing livelihoods for numerous families in its production and distribution. As both a beloved snack and a symbol of Carcar's heritage, Chicharon continues to thrive in the modern times as a testament to the enduring traditions and entrepreneurial spirit of this vibrant city of Cebu.